In this video, I want to talk about how you can trade options in eToro. Now, keep in mind, on eToro, you can only trade options if you're in the United States. Currently, they have no options trading at all unless you're in the United States. And if you're in the US, you need to download a separate app called eToro Options. You can download this on your app store, eToro Options, if you're in the United States, and then you can download the app from in there and you will be able to trade options. Now, if you're not in the United States and you don't download that app, you cannot do options on eToro, unfortunately. Now, you can do CFDs and stuff still, but you will not be able to do options unless you're in the US and you have the app. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.